Hi, I'm Ben Swathwood, District Sales Manager for the Raptor and Carbon brands here at Keystone RV. I'm standing in front of our Raptor 424, which is a brand new floor plan for 2023 that is featuring our exciting new long haul package. This package is an optional package that can be added to any Raptor floor plan. Let's go through what the package offers. The long haul package comes with a built-in water filtration system, giving you peace of mind with safe drinking and cooking water. It also includes a kicker sound system complete with 2 amps, upgraded 8-inch speakers, and a subwoofer to make sure that you get the best quality sound system while you party with friends and family. Another element of peace of mind comes with the built-in tire pressure monitoring system that connects with our in-command system control. You can Bluetooth link the TPMS to your smartphone and set not only tire pressure, but also temperature ranges for notification safety alerts while driving, thus giving you more control of your safety. By adding the built-in Furrion side view cameras and 7-inch screen, you can now view more of your surroundings while driving or parking. Combined with the standard backup camera, Raptor offers the most camera angles in its segment. The LHP also offers an onboard 12-volt 125 PSI air compressor to easily blow up side-by-side or bike tires. If that wasn't enough to get you excited about this package, it also comes with a 50-amp electric cord reel that makes setup and teardown a breeze at the campsite. The days of rolling up a cumbersome cord and concerns over a damaged cord are over. We are super pumped to be introducing the Raptor Long Haul Package, now optional on all Raptor floor plans. For more great content, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button below so that we can help you camp better.